Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create stunning 3D models from a single photo using Tripo 3D. It's new design skill needed. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your browser and then search for Tripo 3D and then just open the site. And then just make sure you are logged into your account, and if you don't have one yet, you can easily sign up using your Google account and just follow the next steps. And then to use this platform, you will need credits. But don't worry, Tripo 3D will give you a free basic package with 300 credits per month. This one. And with this feature. And I think that's more than enough to explore and learn how the platform works. Now to generate a 3D model, just click on Generate 3D Models, this one. And here you can create a model with two methods, like a one click for create instantly and build and refine with a base model or edit later. And then you can also make the 3D models from a text or image. And in this tutorial, I will try one click method with image. Just click it and then upload your image. It will work best with a clear and frozen facing objects. Then you can adjust the styles that you want, like a cartoon, Christmas, Barbie, and many more. And I will choose this one. You can also adjust the topology, and I will choose triangle. And you can also adjust the poly count and HD texture. And then just click generate. And Tripo 3D will make your 3D models automatically. Just click it. Once your model is ready, you can rotate or just explore it. And you can also make further edits like segmenting parts or adjusting textures or even adding rigging and animations. And when you are happy with the result, just export the model in your preferred format. Just click this icon. And then your model is ready to use in a games, AR, or any 3D design apps. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.